Blessings. This afternoon, sad news. Another sad one. A relationship mixed with cheating ends fatally. Stay with us for all in detail. It is very important for you to watch the video throughout its entirety all the way to the end for understanding. So, in the meantime, be reminded that if you are new to the channel and it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe, plus click the notification bell, and while doing so select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel, on this channel. And also remember to give this video a like always, for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more. Beatitude. Intro. Soon forward. On Friday, I received a message stating that someone had just committed suicide in St. Elizabeth, but at that time, information was not in abundance, even though everything is still not detailed fully. But I was patient enough to delay for the additional understanding body of message, and on your display is a man. His given name, as I was told, is Austin. To my understanding, he is from a Fairfield address in St. Elizabeth. He was a husband of a trifling wife by allegations. I was told that they both usually attend church. That doesn't solidify whether he was a Christian or not. Let's say he was a worshipper. And he and his wife, they shared a daughter together. But like every relationship, there are times when you feel like the compatibility level is getting low and you're no longer in sync with your partner. So the best decision is to part ways before things get fatal, like Kevin Smith's temple, I guess. When his wife decided that she needed a break from their vowed relationship, he found out that she was pregnant and the child that she was carrying was not his. So that was when he started to show signs of depression. And sadly, maybe his relatives or family were not aware or educated on depression and the fatal suicide thoughts that it travels with. Or else I'm sure they would keep their eyes on Mr. Austin just to ensure at no point he falls off the radar, cause self-harm or self-mutilation of this type is depression's best friend. So it is said that on the morning of February 17, which was last week Friday, he left his daughter in bed while she slept and he decided to call it quit. He took his own life. His person was found hanging when his brother came across the tragic horror on his way to put out his goats in the field to feed. They also mentioned that his family once encouraged him to seek therapy, but I guess that didn't manifest. It is sad, but infidelities in a relationship can be avoided. It can, only if we consider one's feelings and end the relationship before you get intimate with someone else, because this could also result in more fatalities. But I'm happy it didn't, and she's still alive to deliver that innocent child. So leave a comment and make your opinion counts down in the comment section. Keep watching, as this young lady is about to explain what it's like to be in a relationship with an abusive narcissist. So be attentive and keep watching.
Hi everyone, so my name is Vanessa. Most persons call me Candies and some of my friends call me Shorty. So I was in an abusive relationship with a narcissist. We recently moved come to this apartment in exchange. Lucky enough, a few persons here might know me, and also his friends moved the same time that we moved, so they live close to us. So we moved from here with our son, And to be honest, I didn't want to come. I didn't want to come to this apartment because I know that it's going to be a case where another community I got nobody, the disgrace, the embarrassment, the beating, everything. I had a bad feeling about it. So anyway, we moved from here, and like 2 weeks after being here for 2 weeks, we brought our baby to UAE. Right, so we bring the baby to UAE. It displayed some attitudes that I didn't like. For someone that's a father. So we're making noise. I guess the best if we separate him because this thing is not gonna work. It's not gonna work, and I think he didn't take it well. The same day he left the house, and I think he went to Portmore, and I didn't come back until the following day. He came back, and he came back now. He came in the house. He wasn't talking or anything. Watching for an hour until I asked him, because there were some things that needed to be clear, and we have the child together. We need to know how it's about. We did need to come to a conclusion to how we're going to go about doing this as a parent. So his response was, when is it that I'm going to leave? So I said to him, say, I can't leave now. And then after me say no, because I don't have nowhere to go, I look back into myself and say, are you stupid? What you do to yourself? Make him leave, he can always run go Portmore every time he beat you up. Or in run go wherever or whoever other woman in my deal with. Make him go on. Are you still here with your son? So anyway, he never take it well at all. Now the house, I'm not telling him, say, guess what? Let me just go outside, go relax my mind. So, I don't know who tell me to go say that about me want to go outside, go clear my head. But sometimes my best thing fail, you just prevent something, you just walk away. So I walk away. I won't tell you to do it. When the man arm me by me, they have some locks on my head. When the man arm me by me locks, and the man have me down on the ground, may I tell you, me only see something in a movie. I only see something in a movie for real, but now I tell you no lie. And when the man drug me from the door to the kitchen, and the man I then get up and I finally get up, the man he never take me off of the wall. I couldn't move off of the wall till the man had me down on the wall. And I saw hold me head and lick me head in the wall. When I'm not satisfied with that, he start thump me up in my head and give me some thump in my head. The man have a body. He might not have no whole heap of muscle, but him body heavy. When the man give me fist them in my head, all in my face. Right? One time the man hold me by my neck. And when he hold me by my neck firm, I couldn't move one muscle, I couldn't even breathe. The man started to me some uppercut in my belly. The man give me uppercut in my belly and I'm not satisfied. The man Indian, he short something. And him short when he tap my lungs. And I see him going with himself, and I tell you, I was so embarrassed coming in the house about it. I mean, not the house about it. The amount of people who live next door to it. Hear me in here, and the baby in here and cry. Because I see the baby, he kneel down, the baby up on his knees, and I cry when he see him father. Let me head in the wall. The baby a bawl when he see him father do that to me. I mean, you say my son could have done something and tell us the truth. It look like you might have come help me, but everybody here, everybody who's surrounding here, me in here ball out. I know say Cherry alone there, and nobody no come help. Although we can't look for people for help. You can't look for people for help with these days. Then we'll just hear you say the funny news. Then them have just hear say dead. And then after them say, boy, never know say there's something I share go through. But to me, when a man beat me up, a man go away, a man go outside, And I tell him the next thing feed it for the baby, and the baby feeding him almost, the baby almost finishing feeding before the man come back in the house. So I have the baby in my hand. The man come up in my face. When the man come up in my face, the man asks me if I see what I do in face. So when the man come back in the house, it's like he never satisfied with Roman. Especially when you look on his face and you see he straight up and so in his face. So he might ask me if I see what I do to his face. Shout at me, and attack to me, everybody are hearing me. So the man start fist up me in the wall again. So to the day blood marks still up on the curtain. Man start fist up me in the wall and the baby the right next to me, you know. Baby start ball again. The man all end up at the door and grab up the baby and take up the baby and gone at the door. I remember me that try to take the baby from him or walk. Or something me that try to do with the baby or fix something but I don't know what it was. And me I tell him say why you keep on do this yes and you have my baby in here and the man have the baby in a one hand and he using right hand and thump me in my head. And me say the reason why me not looking at me because you have my baby in here and you know saying when always take up the baby. Always have a baby in him and when he beat me. So me can't go really give him no lick and me can't really fight him because me can't fight him. But him always take up a baby and he use one hand and beat me. So until him have the angle on me, he put on the baby and finish it off. So when he go outside with the baby again, and I must see that something to him. And the man give me one next thump in my head, so I get the next thump in my head. My foot them start shake and my head not stop paying me. When him take the baby, him jump in the car and he must get things here in me come to for my baby. Me see him reverse, him give one bad reverse and reverse in our man car. Me just run past him car and go down to my friend's house. And up the city my friend them have to help me because the man left me in the house. He make sure to the landlord say me have to move by a certain period of time. And tell the landlord, I don't know when to tell the landlord, but the landlord to me is not on his side. It's just that he's the one that the landlord rent the apartment from. So he take the baby. And up to today, when I hear back from him, I don't know nothing. And I need to know what's going on with my child because this is not right. And me sit down and push out my picnic. And I take so much beating and disgrace out with the baby in my belly and for me.
So there you have it, and please do remember that if you're new to the channel and it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe. Plus click the notification bell, and while doing so select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel, on this channel. And also remember, give this video a like always for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more beatitude. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.